TV back. Been gone for a minute. But just got this 1982 Chevy Impala. A project. Needs some work, some body work for sure. It does not run at the moment. Still got the same stocks. 350 motor. I don't have no radiator in here at the moment, no battery. I just got it today. Came across a sweet little deal with it. I'm gonna start restoring this thing and getting it together. Windshield good. All the doors open and closed. Got some hail damage up there, but that ain't nothing major. Interiors looks pretty cool. Not a bad interior, everything's still intact. Couple cracks on the dash. Yeah, back seat looks good. Got the single exhaust pipe running out the back. So it needs some work for sure. I ain't seen worse, but it is not that bad at all. So my plan is, I thought about already before I got it, because I was talking to the guy for a while. Do I LS swap it or do I just stay original and keep what's in here? For the moment, I'm gonna just keep it the way it is. And yeah, get it started and get everything going. I'm gonna just keep it the way it is. Really don't have too much knowledge on older cars, but I'm gonna figure it out. Yeah, the grill, need a new grill. That's light. Need to fix that right there, get that back right. Got some surface rust. Everything is still there. I like how the decals are still there. It's nothing that I had to take a time and order and get more when the time comes, but the inside is really what made me want the car, because it doesn't need a lot of work. Sunburned seats, but they're not ripped. The bench style seats in the front and the back. Top part of the fan shroud is still in there. Yeah, car has a lot of potential. It just needs some love and somebody that know what they doing. I know enough, but my uncle gonna come over here, help me out. This is just the intro to this car, 1982 Impala. And yeah, right now I'm about to remove this whole front clip, the whole front grill and shit, just so I could close my garage, because I put it on the wrong side. I put it on the side where I didn't have enough room, but oh well. Still got another motor in here, but eventually I'm gonna get rid of that or either throw it in another Monte Carlo, a 6th gen Monte Carlo. But yeah, just a project. That's what I'm about to be working on. If y'all got any tips and tricks or anything that can help me get this mug to where I want it to be. I don't know the last time it ran, but I know for sure that the motor's not locked. So the motor turned and whatnot. Gotta clean a lot of this wiring up. This shit is ugly. So wires everywhere, but it'll get figured out. The whole goal is just to get it running, and when I get it running, make sure it's running strong, and then start to work on the body and suspension and things like that. So yeah, Dub TV. About to bring this motherfucker back to life, so tune in, follow, like, subscribe. And like I said, if y'all got any tips, tricks on these 350s that I should know as a beginner, let me know. And I'm only when I say beginner, I'm a beginner to older engines. I normally deal with the engines that come in these and stuff, but I wanted to try something different and see what I could do. So, like I said, I got a sweet deal on the car, clean title, keys, everything. So just don't start up. I don't have a radiator in it right now, and whoever the last owner was before the guy had it that sold it to me, looks like they just was going crazy and really don't know too much they damn self, but I'm gonna figure it out. Dub TV signing off.